You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk battery used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. This will allow you to see the battery, which is located to the right of the engine compartment. To take off the battery cover, take the tab on the cover and pull it upwards carefully. Do the same with the other side of the cover. The engine control unit will prevent you from removing the battery. You must pull it out. To do this, take it in your hands and pull upwards. Once free, pivot it to place it on its side so that it doesn't get in the way of the following steps. Never start by disconnecting the positive terminal with all the cars still connected to the minus terminal. This risks creating dangerous sparks in the electric network of your car. Using a socket wrench and an 8mm socket, start by removing the negative terminal from the battery. Once removed, ensure you distance the cable to avoid untimely reconnections which could damage the electrical network of the vehicle. Pull up the fastening latch on the positive terminal to disconnect it. Push down on the plastic retaining tab while pulling the battery upwards to release it. You can now remove the battery. Sand the inside of the terminals with sandpaper to remove the layer of white oxidation and to avoid breakdowns in the long term.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
Take the new battery. You will find the bulk battery used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Coat the terminals with copper grease to improve the contact between the terminals and connectors, but also to limit oxidation development. While pressing down on the tab, place the new battery in place, pressing it firmly against the battery holder. Put the positive terminal back on and flip the locking latch down. Use a socket wrench and an 8mm socket to put the negative terminal back in place. Ensure that both terminals have been inserted properly. Put the engine control unit back in place, making sure to slide it onto the rails. Put the battery cover back in place first. Ensure it is clipped in properly by using the little spurs on the base. Then repeat the process for the front of the cover. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.